entrance. This is a converted dining room area. It's been converted into a bedroom, but this would normally be your dining room area. Hardwood floors. The big mirror here. Also a ceiling fan. You have the sliding doors opening up into your dining room area. Go back through the entrance where you just came in. It's coming from outside. So going back in the hallway. This will be your dining room area. Nice spacious room. Again, you have your sliding doors leading into your living room area. Then we go into your kitchen. Kitchen has been really renovated, new flooring, new cabinets. We also have a ceiling fan in the kitchen. A nice little countertop you can use as your dining table as also. Just put a couple of bar stools here. This can be your kitchen table, or bring in a small table for your kitchen area here. Let me just give you a view so you can see the size of the actual kitchen. It's a decent sized kitchen. Okay. Then we go over here into our back porch. This door leads to the outside. Here you have a nice little den area. Put a little table here, so you can use this as your eating area as well. We have an alternate refrigerator out here as well. And there's another entrance to the backyard. And down here, the steps leading to the basement, which is a finished basement as well. Take you back through, and then we're going to go upstairs. Another entrance to the basement. I don't have any lights on right now. Alright, so coming back through your dining area. The living room area there, family room. Main entrance hallway. And then we're going to make the right and go upstairs to the bedrooms. Coming up, you have your closet here for your towels and things you want to store in your bathroom. And here's your bathroom here. This is a full bathroom. I didn't show you guys the half bathroom downstairs off the kitchen. Let me go back and show you that. This is your full bathroom. We also have another full bathroom in the basement, which I told you is a finished basement. And we have a half bathroom in the kitchen area on the first floor. I'll go back and show you that. Alright, so here's your first bedroom. decent size. Your closet here. Have some stuff in there. So it's a decent sized closet. Okay. Take you into the next bedroom. There's this second bedroom, middle room. About the same size as the first. This one also has a ceiling fan. And your closet here. Decent sized closet. Okay. I'll take you over to the master bedroom, which is this one here. So this is the master bedroom. We have two closets here, well, three closets actually, two with the sliding doors. I have another one here to put some accessories and linen and things. Another folding door closet. And then you have some space up above. You want to store some other items. And then we have another closet here in the corner. Okay. So this is the master bedroom. So in total you have 3 bedrooms on the second floor. The finished basement in the basement can be used as a bedroom as well. So you can actually have 4 bedrooms. And on the first floor you have your living room slash family room, your dining room, and your kitchen, and the back porch or the nook. And we have another table as well. So let me just go back and show you the half bathroom here off the kitchen. Just turn on the light. Okay. So this is the bathroom. Just have the toilet and a sink in here. Alright, so that is it.